How to fix ChatGPT file stream access denied problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, simply scroll down and click on Apps and Notifications. In Apps and Notifications, click on ChatGPT. Then click on Storage and Cache, which is the third option. Click on Clear Cache and click on Clear Storage. After you've done that, go back and click on Permissions, which is the second option in here. In Permissions, click on Files and Media. And make sure it's Allow Access to Media Only. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to fix ChatGPT file stream access denied problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.